We've moved into the kitchen to show you more green building products, particularly countertops and flooring. Now, over the last few years, stone countertops like granite have been so popular. So have those that look like granite but actually made out of other materials. Here's an example of one that's made out of recycled paper, plant fibers, and cloth fibers. It's called Shetka stone. It has a very nice, warm, earthy feel to it, and the manufacturer says this can be cut, nailed, screwed, sawed just like wood, and you can use a wood or stone sealer to completely seal it off. Really has a nice look to it, nice countertop here, and also a variety of colors so that you can match a countertop or backsplash to exactly the color decor that you were looking for. Pretty nice product. Now here's something else that's made out of paper. It's called Rich Light. Now this is a very heavy-duty type countertop, very durable, very heat resistant up to 350 degrees. But one of the properties of this type of countertop and the way that it's manufactured allows you to cantilever a countertop just like this one has been done, and you're able to do it without any supports whatsoever. That's not the case with granite. It does require an underlayment and quite a bit of support when it's cantilevered in a situation like that. So pretty decent looking material and a lot of different colors that are available. Now, here's another approach to the stone look of countertop. Now this is called ice stone, and it's actually manufactured using 75% recycled glass and concrete. And you can see they've done a great job in simulating the look of real stone. This is so durable, it can actually be used not only on countertops and backsplashes, but you can use this for bathroom partitions and flooring. Now speaking of flooring, just like the countertop manufacturers trying to make their product look just like real stone, the flooring guys are doing the same thing. And it's extremely popular, especially a finish like this that really does look like the real thing. It also looks like laminate flooring with the quick connect type of edges that allow you to put it down, very homeowner friendly. But what's different about this is it's actually made from 100% natural materials. Things such as linseed oil, wood flour, jute fibers, and limestone, and all of it's held together with a non-toxic adhesive, and all of it's 100% biodegradable. Now, what about cork flooring? I love this kind of stuff, and acoustically it's really good if you have an area of the home that you're trying to really quieten down a little bit. But how they make this flooring is pretty interesting. They actually have the large cork oak trees, and they remove a series or a layer of the bark itself. Then they stamp out all of the wine corks that they may need for all of the wine bottles. After that, they grind up the cork and then put it together with some adhesive in order to create this type of pattern. I had no idea that there was this type of material available in cork. Now that's a good selection for maybe a part of your home. Now here's something else, bamboo flooring. If you've ever seen bamboo grow, you know how rapidly it can grow and cover quite an area. It makes a perfect idea to create a need for it with flooring. Now it basically has two different color variations, the lighter, more natural kind, and then one that they basically caramelize in order to create this darker color. It's also available in a vertical or horizontal grain, so a little bit of variety there, and it's just as hard and dense as oak flooring. So you can be sure that that'll last a long time. Now, switching from floors to walls, you can see a number of wall tiles here that would look great in a designer bathroom, or maybe even a backsplash. That would look pretty good with this countertop. This is made from 100% recycled glass, and it's from Sandhill Industries. And a lot of different colors, a lot of different ways that you can use this, matte finish as well as gloss, all just really impressive once you have it all installed.